how to get a young and wrinkle free face. Now see, as we grow, all of us, you get wrinkles, and it happens, but the idea is to be vibrant and healthy. Why are people looking so haggard nowadays and so tired? Because obviously there's work stress, and then there's so much pollution going on outside, and then there are late nights happening, then people drink and smoke, and a lot of factors also lead to all these things. But it's important first to have lifestyle changes, which is very very important. What food are we eating every day? Is it suiting us, not suiting us? That's very very important. How do we start our day? Are we in an anger grumpy mood, or are we in a happy mood? So all these things does make a difference. Are we like, don't have too much fried food, sugar, not so much alcohol, because indirectly, no matter how much cleanups, facial, or all this you do, all these things do take a toll on your body. So it's very important lifestyle changes to have in our life. I was reading the papers that nowadays even 15-year-olds are getting diabetes, 30-year-olds are getting heart attack. So all these things, it is taking a toll. So it's important to work on your diet, and also it's important to sleep early, because they say, when we sleep in the night, our pineal gland has melatonin, and that only works from 9-10 in the night to 4 in the morning. So if we don't sleep like by 10 or latest by 11, how much? And even if we sleep by 12, the melatonin only works till 4, and then that rejuvenates the body. It gives you energy. Basically it's recharging our batteries of the body. So we have to try to sleep as early as possible, and that's why it will help to rejuvenate our body. So these things are very important. Also sometimes means you also important to do deep breathing. When we do breathing, a lot of us, and of course I do breathing too, but a lot of people I've noticed that they do, like, lot of people do shallow breathing. We don't even know that if we really breathe properly, we'll feel so much more energetic, so much more better in our lives, and we automatically, our energy will start feeling better, and you'll see that you're feeling better, your dark circles have reduced automatically. You'll see your skin will start growing, because these are important changes we have to make in our life. Deep breathing, exercise. What happens when we exercise? When we exercise, we release endorphins in the body, and which is very good. We feel energetic, and that really helps, because according to the Howard doctor, she says sitting is the new smoking. We have to do movement in our body to help us to help it to rejuvenate and feel good about yourself. You notice when you sleep a lot, what happens? You sleep even more, because we are so lethargic. Our body is not even moving. Whole day if we are just sitting on the chair and seeing the laptop, what's going to happen? Our body will get redundant. So it's very important to keep moving our body. Yes, everyone's working, and sometimes we are on the laptop the whole day, but the idea is to do some movement. You can also get up maybe for 5 minutes and just do some stretches, or even you can do some stretches in the chair like this, which can really help for the face and overall well-being in the body. Also you can do massages of the face, body massage, because that really helps in blood circulation of the body. And last but not the least is always smile, because you might do everything, but if you don't smile and you're not happy in life, these things are not going to help. So I always say, you know you internally you have to be happy, because when you're happy internally, it shows on your face. And I know it's not possible 24/7, there are challenges, stresses in life, but the idea is to bounce back and get back and be happy. You imagine in the morning, if you see some boring face, or angry face and grumpy face, would you like it? No, right? You would. But if you see a smiling happy face, and the whole energy of the house and everything really shifts. So do that and see what shifts for you, and please forward this video with your family and friends, because these are important tips. It's not only about external cleaning, even internal cleaning is very important in life. So thank you so much. I am Natasha Advani, a transformational coach and trainer and best-selling author and a dance exploration expert. So please forward this video to your family, friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.